Just see this video right now, and your goal last month was to reach your first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. But unfortunately, something led to something and you weren't able to reach your goal. I am sorry. I am that reason that you did not reach your goal. Your goal of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour last month, because I held this information from you. I am so sorry. That's why I'm pressing this record button without even preparing for this video. I actually programmed today to do this video, but as it is going now, if I did not press this record button right now, I might not be able to record this video today, and I'll keep procrastinating it, and it's already too tiring because what I'm doing is working for me, and I want to share it with other small creators out there, okay, so that they can be able to benefit from it. Yeah, you know that when you look up to all these big content creators, yeah, try to give us small creators insights or solutions to the problems we small creators are facing. 70% of the time they are just doing it for clickbait. Yes, I'm not saying this to downgrade their hard work or something, no, because they have passed this level. When they pass this level, that's been long. What we are facing now is different from whatever they think they faced back then when they were at our level. Things have changed. YouTube algorithm have changed. Everything, so many things have changed in this 2025, and it's still going to change in 2026. As at today, what is working for me, this channel, is not the same thing that might have worked for them last few years, months. Okay, so I'm doing this video right now to promise you you will not believe me, because as at last week, my channel is at less than 100 subscribers, or a little above 100 subscribers. But as at today that I'm pressing this record button, between last week and today, I have hit my first 1,000 subscribers. Yes, and my watch hour keeps increasing. So I'm not going to say, I'm not telling you something that is not working or something I've tried years back that worked for me years back, and I want you to now come and try it this year, 2025, in November. No, I'm telling you something that worked for me from last week till today, that got my channel from 100 subscribers to 1K subscriber. Subscribers can assert from last week till today, and before the end of this week, mark my word, before the end of this week, this channel is going to hit my first 2K subscribers. That is how sure I am of my procedure. So if you're going to my God, as in, had it been I discovered this months back, I promise you this channel would have hit its first 10K subscriber this month. Okay, but no time is too late. Okay, I'm hitting this record button to promise you, my baby is already crying, promise you to drop a comment on this particular video. I'm going to upload this video today. Drop a comment on this, and I'm going to bring out time tomorrow to take you through my channel and show you step by step what I'm doing. And after you must have gotten your first 1K subscriber, or how many ever subscribers that you want, and you have completed your first 4,000 watch hour, the next thing you are supposed to do is a step-by-step process. So comment step by step in this video right now, so that it will ginger me to do the video, the step by. I am rushing because my baby is crying. Just drop step by step as a comment in the comment section, so that it will ginger me to do the video tomorrow morning. As the kids leave for school, I'll do the video, edit it and post. Step by step procedure of how to get your first one, as the subscriber count is adding up. Your watch hour is moving up too. As if they work, it show. So I'm not telling you what is the mark this channel now. Come back on Sunday. Mark this channel, come back on Sunday. You will see 2K subscribers here. Okay, that is how confident I am about what I am about to share with you. So comment step by step. Drop comments of step by step in the comment section, so that it will ginger me to release this Obenge update. Because now small creator know wetin small creator IDC. Yes, it is small creators that know what a fellow small creator is facing. All these big content creators on YouTube, 70% of time, their information is based on clickbait. Yes. When I just watch, go suffer waiting this suffer now. That's it. So comment step by step on the comment section, so that it will ginger me to drop this update for you guys. It is working. And come back on Sunday. How many days? 5 days from today. This channel will hit 2K subscribers. I'm not even joking. See you tomorrow, guys. Whether you comment or you don't comment, I'm going to drop the video because a lot of people are going to benefit from it. Okay? See you guys tomorrow. Trust me. Your channel is good. There will be a turnover on your channel. That's how the subscriber count will be, and the watch hour will be. See you guys tomorrow.